back in the verse. Got a capo at the fourth. We got the capo. That's where he places it. You can put it wherever you want to make it comfortable to play and sing. So the verse is A minor. It's like the rhythm is kind of like a 1, 2, 3, 4, a 2, 2, 3, 4. That's kind of the rhythm. It's got that little shuffle at the beginning of each bar, and the chords are A minor, C, E minor. C, E minor, and I'm kind of like doing this like a nice quick, and then I'm muting it with my thumb, my fret hand. I'm kind of got my hand on the strings. You kind of have to do that when you play open chords. If you don't want them to ring, you kind of have to keep that hand right on the strings. So that's the verse. Those three chords: A minor, C, E minor. And then the transition is F. This is where he's like, and it's been more than I can. Goes to D minor. It's been more again. D minor and F are relative. They kind of go together. The first time through, they just go to F and into the chorus. The rest of the song, they go on that transition is F to D minor. Okay, but the first time they leave it out, I assume to get to the chorus a little faster. And the chorus is got a little more open feeling. C. G is a passing chord, so if you have trouble getting that in there, if you're just beginning, just leave it out. And then it goes to A minor. C, G, A minor. And then to get back into the verse, they go to that F to D minor transition. Kind of a cool song. All right, thanks for that was a request. Thanks for that one. Bye.